Hello friends, today I am here with a new topic and the topic is not only but also, and it is important topic. So let's see how to solve it. So here I have written a rule, that is parts of speech should be same. Now I think you all know what is parts of speech. Like there are many 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, pronoun, then conjunction, interjection, many things. So whenever you are solving not only but also type of questions, you have to see that the parts of speech should be same. Then you have to use not only and but also. Let us see with an example. Now see in this sentence, she can dance, she can sing. So here we have to see this part of speech, that is dance and sing. So when we are using not only and but also, we have to use not only in front of this one and but also in front of this. Means both are noun, noun. It is verb. Both are verb. So you have to use not only but also in front of these verbs. See how to write it. She can not only dance but also sing. And we have to skip this word because she and she, it is common, so we have to skip it. So the answer is she can not only dance but also sing, and both the parts of speech are verb. So this is the most important rule. Many of you, I think you will be solving this question not only but also, but you don't know this rule. So now next time onwards you have to solve according to the rule. Now in this one, this is the part of speech, and which part of speech is food and medicine? It is noun. So we have to use not only but also in front of this parts of speech. So the answer will be they need not only food, then skip this one, but also medicine. Is it clear? Whenever any words are same, like this, they need, we have to skip all these words. We don't have to write it again and again, need and need. Is it clear? So the answer is they need not only food but also medicine. And now this third question. Now you will see this question and you will tell the answer directly, that yes, how you will answer it. She is not only beautiful but also singer. Yes, but it is totally wrong. Now why it is wrong? Because it is beautiful is adjective, but singer is noun. And the rule is that whenever the parts of speech are same, then only we can add not only but also in front of them. But these two parts of speech are not same. So in this question we cannot add not only but also. So the question should be smart. Then what is smart? Smart is also an adjective. She is beautiful, she is smart. Now we can add not only but also to this question. So always remember one thing, both the parts of speech should be same. Let it be both the verbs, let it be both adjectives, let it be both noun, but same. So now the answer will be she is not only beautiful but also smart. So let us see some more examples. Now see this question. They were tall and strong. So how can we write it in the first way? It is they were not only tall but also strong. Is it clear? This is the easy way. Now the next way from the starting. Not only. Can we now we should not write they were tall. It is wrong. It is were they. Where will come first, then they will come. Don't get confused in this. Not only were they tall, but now see, but they were also strong. Is it clear? See the question. Not only were they tall, but they were also strong. Here they were, we have to write together. Is it clear? These are the minute details. It is here, it is where they, here it will be they were. Is it clear? So we will see some more things. He is a cricketer, he is a footballer. So cricketer and footballer is noun. So we will use in the first way. He is not only a cricketer, but also a footballer. This is the first way. He is not only a cricketer but also a footballer. Now in the second way, by using not only but also in the starting. Not only he is, no, it is he. Not only is he a cricketer, but he also will not come, but he is also a footballer. Is it clear? It is he is. He also is, that is also wrong. Is it clear? Not only is he a cricketer, but he is also a footballer. Now this question came in the board exam of 10th standard this year in 2020. So I will tell you how to solve it. So what will be the thing? For the achievement of goals, not only proper planning, not only proper planning, but also in place of and, but also utilization of time is important. So let us see some more examples. We will write both type of answers. So this one, he can not only. See, so make, and here also you can see make. So same part of speech, that is verb. So he can not only make people laugh, but also make them cry. So always remember, not only should be in front of both the same part of speech. Is it clear? So we will see the second way how to write it. Second way, it will start with not only. So in exam you can write any one type, whichever you feel is easy, you can write that way. Not only, now he can will never come, it is can he. So not only can he make people laugh, but he also, it is wrong, he can also make them cry. Is it clear? Not only can he make, remember this change, can he, not only can he make people laugh, but he can also. Don't write it here in this way, but he also can. This is the wrong way. He also can will never come. It is but he can also. Is it clear? Now we will see this one in both the ways. So he plays guitar. So he not only plays guitar will come here. He not only plays guitar. See here not only plays came, that means here also verb should come, that is writes. He not only plays guitar but also writes his own songs. Is it clear? Always remember, after not only verb means here also it should be verb after but also. Then second way, not only, now this is simple present tense, so we have to use here does. Not only does he play will come, not plays. Not only does he play guitar, but he also writes his own songs. Is it clear? Not only does he play guitar, but he also writes his own song. Now this one, we'll write in both the ways. She, not only, because this is verb and here this is verb. She not only failed the course but also dropped out of college. And the second way, not only, now this is V2 means simple past tense, so it will be did. Not only did she fail the course. Is it clear? Not only did she fail the course, but she also dropped out of college. I hope you all are understanding. And if you have any doubts regarding this thing, you can comment me in the comment section. So now I will give you some exercises and you have to solve it. I hope you have understood my video. And for any queries, just comment me in the comment section. But don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for new videos. Thank you.